Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Understanding Islam. In today's lesson, we will be continuing our lesson 1 part 4, which is from Ghain to Mim. We will learn 6 more Quranic alphabets. Let me repeat the first lesson, previous lessons for you, which are starting from Alif. Let me repeat all and you please repeat all after me. Alif, Ba, Ta, Fa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ain. And for our today's lesson, let's start from Ghain. Please remember there is a dot above Ghain. Ghain. Our next alphabet or letter is Fa. Please repeat after me. Fa. There is a dot above Fa. Fa. Our next letter is Qaf. Qaf. Please remember there are two dots above Qaf. Our next letter is Kaf. Qaf should be read with loud voice and give little bit force to your throat, and Kaf should be read with simple voice. Qaf. Kaf. Please repeat after me. Kaf. Kaf. Our next letter is Lam. Lam. Don't stretch or pull it too much. Lam. Our next letter is Mim. In the start of Mim and the end of Mim, both produce the sound of Mim. 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 So this is it for our today's lesson. Please practice these all our next 6 letters for about 3 days, and if you have any questions, please you can ask us in comments, or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is provided in the video description. May Allah guide us all on right path. Wassalam.